Hello, I'm Nelson Samoa, and I'm a website designer, a WordPress website designer, and I have a couple of other businesses, but I'm basically an online businessman. Let me put it that way. A lot of people ask me how I make money online. How do you start an online business, and how do you go about it? And it is a scam and all that. Excuse me. And it is a scam and all that. Um, so I decided to do a short video about how I started my online business and how I got to know certain things in the online business to also help you do to also help people who want to really start an online business. Basically, an online business is not a scam. An online business is not a long time. Like it's not. You don't have to work longer enough to make money there. It's just basically knowing what you want to do. That's all, knowing what you want to do, and you bringing it online. So let's say our traditional business. Just looking at our traditional business, like um, that you're a journalist, put it that way, that you're a journalist, and you want to put your journalism into um, your journalism business to online. Basically, you become a blogger. That's what an online business is. Basically, you become a blogger. And how do you start with it as a blogger? You just get a website and search for your own news, post it. How to make money with it is very easy. One, you can use this Google affiliations, Google ads, and other um, advertisement platform that gives people the chance to advertise on your website, advertise their products on your website, and basically you can also go out tell people that they can advertise on your website with a price, and you are done. That's when you start making your money. So how I started it, um, is going to be surprising. I started my online business as a blogger. Yeah, but I wasn't much more into blogging. I was just copying and pasting. Like that's what most bloggers do. And my website got expired. So I was asking myself, how can my website get expired if I'm a blogger and my website cannot be there for forever? So I decided to learn about site designing. And learning about website designing has really opened my mind. So to start an online business, at least you have to know how to design your own website. You have to know how to design your own website. You have to know how to understand what a website is because 100 you will count um, your online business needs to have a website. That's it. Your online business need to have a website, and for you to have a website is one of your greatest capital. To start a website business, that is your greatest capital. Yeah, so have a website that is your greatest capital. So I can recommend abnwebmasters.com. You can call them and I think I have their card. Hold on. So ABN Webmasters. ABN Webmasters. You can call them on 059 144 6147. 059 144 6147, or you can visit their website on www.abnwebmasters.com. www.abnwebmasters.com. And you can tell them that they should design a website for you. They are going to help you. And if you want to start an online business, so let's say online business like journalism, online business like buying and selling, it doesn't cost. So let's say the difference between an online business and a traditional business, and why the online business is much more safer and much more. better than the traditional businesses. And the online business, um, you don't need much capital to start an online business. I'm telling you the truth. You don't need much capital to start an online business. The traditional business, you have to one register your company and all those legalities. But with the online business, at least you can find your way in. Once you start to get money. You can just go and register it, start it. Basically, that's it. You can start with it. With the online business, with the traditional business, you need to have a huge capital. So maybe if you are selling, you have to have a shop. Yeah, you have to have a shop. You have to have after to the shop, getting a place to sell one, the items that you'll be buying to a whole lot. But with an online business, you don't need all that. You know, online business, you don't all what you need is your pictures and your content. Basically, that's and your website as well. Basically, that's how it is. And what else? The payment. For the payment, we have a lot of payment gateway platforms that you can that and I will recommend if you're in Ghana, I will recommend you to use Paystack, Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa. I'll recommend you to use Paystack because Paystack is one of the best. They do transfer money transfer through your Momo and your bank and everything. So you can also use PayPal and any other. So basically, starting an online business is um, someone may ask, so how much do I need to start an online business? You can start an online business with just 300 Ghana cedis, less than $100. You can start an online business with that. You can start, yeah, an online business with that. Not like the traditional business that you need a huge capital more than 2,000, 3,000 plus. So you can start with an online business with just 300 cities and you are good to go for a while. So basically, that's all. If there's any other question, kindly um, write it in the comment below, and I will do a video to talk about it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I'm out. Okay. Bye.